8:20 on Kaya FM 95.9. Good music, good friends. This is the reason why we are playing Battle of the Sexes up until Thursday. As you can tell, Scuba was supposed to be with us at least 10 minutes ago. So next week, from next week, we will start with Scuba just after the 8 o'clock news because Battle of the Sexes finals will be on a Thursday. You see, we love you. Yes, exactly.
Promote in 10 minutes. Yes, I promote. Is a alien. Also promote.
Exactly. Are you good? Sold out show, my brother.
Thank you for the love of it. That's all I'm gonna say. If you don't have a ticket, don't come to my show. I don't have extra tickets today. Monday is my birthday. I'm turning 34. Nyanga kona prapop. Nyasondela go couch. Nyasondela. Yes.
You're only 34.
What is
only?
He's
young, eh? He's so young.
What?
At least 46.
And the losses are what I said. I'm right.
Yeah, because we type.
No, yes, Bob. I'm going to out. I'm getting it. We know that guys start for no reason. You know those ones. The women don't start.
Come to think of it,
women don't start.
Well, I've never heard a woman stuttering.
Why? Women don't start like. No. Hi. Hello. Hi. You are Papa. And who else? Like, isn't it a matter snaz? Tinamato snamento are like Sikil Bokangas knitting as long as squint.
Yes.
I'm a fast of an island to it. Madame Bonomusis, as you're figuring out Bonamoto like you know. Since the school of Oscar and Abanga driver, let's just young pair, Angas repair me and Peggy Bonda. It's in Gunhakan. Ushoban. But you want to manga bukhuluma for the eye contact. Yes, I don't pay a mission. Couldn't pay him Pumulang in time. So, couldn't pay him Pumulang in Kunjan. Nothing right. Humans, my dear son. Humans, I see young rights. And I'm going to say that I'm going to Kuluma or no, I'm going to match. I have yes, but actually, I'm going to be that I can imagine Unek running in his eye. If you can I'm proud. Pregnant. I'm practicing my speech.
It's been a good week, Scoomy. It's been a very good week, and I'm really proud of you. I just have to say this. I'm really proud of what you've become, one of the best in your field. And it's really quite something else. And before we close, I just want you to get serious for a second and work on how you actually marketed this thing. But we'll do that at the end of the show. Did you see that?
I saw it.
Fighters attack. I was like, yeah.
Before fighters attack. Cast.
Oh no.
Cast no. Hold on. Cast wa win satin. Hey, kwazakala nani? Kubandoda. Angithi kwaba indaba ephezulu. Uphume number last to cast. Ushiwa yiwo bonke abelungu bathi. Bonke akunomuntu okhuluma kule country. Si wrong kule country papa. If usibona into ewinayo, siyakhuluma sithi why lo bhuti ubani lo gijima bathi cast. Udliwe ke kuma semifinal. Wongafunga ukuthi ucast ugijima uphethe ikirivu.
Ay man.
Ogalibona ipeli ligijima itrack. Kupona le avocado. Udliwe ucasta. Bega thulahlekile. Ngathi gijima racer wrong. Reka. Usindwa yonke into khona emzimbeni. Asikhuluma ngaye.
She was injured. She was injured this year.
Where?
She was injured early in the year.
As apartheid ngibonile kule 800 meters ukhasi baba mshaphu. Unamba last. Ufuna nokhala. And yamazi neparathona ngido. Bafuna ukum interview. So hard him like I don't know. Like Gishil. Yaqala phuma number last. La khumutso. Hayi number 4 cho. hayi number 5. Number last by 7 lan. Number 7. Awumbonile ngathi ukombona. Aloka nozuma mama. Uthanda mama. Banchile.
And there could be some good news coming your way if you don't get tickets for Tony Braxton. And not that I'm going to give them away, but another date could be released. So let's see. Fingers crossed if they're with us, if we're feeling our vibe with Tony Braxton.
Tony Braxton, Joe. I'm chick. And I will give you. Ngitshole sesiderland. Ngapha kuno Brenda, Brenda naye. Umthatha ispace saka Tony Braxton amazi uBrenda naye. Ay. Wavele ngama fans.
Yo.
My brr.
She was mean, man. She was fantastic. Do you need a plane to go to fly to Tembisa? I mean, we could call the Guptas for you, right?
No. Linda ma Guptas bona prapop izosifaka eJiving le country ngoba ipresident iyabaphika nabangani bakhe. So the Guptas were mina. Ukangibona ngidriving plane mina. Yazwenza ufaka uRamaphosa akayi ngathi ufundile. Wena gibela la. Bathi uyabuthi bengiphethela amabheka nenkinga zami nami ngithe awuthi ngijikela yamagupta wathi lift ngodo bokuyini wena baba kuniki lift yasala wena bro manje mawuphuma la kuvela team udisa athi bro Bobby shoot wena sosibhala la radio station ngoba uteam udisa ukuliftile amagupta velela athi Ramaphosa uya boy ngathi uyasinda hey
Kasevend
no bro lift. Audio. No problem. Come, man. Come. This plane is gonna be hot, man. Come on. Let's make it. Wangena, namagupta bahambile. So we did wrong. Sneaking is serious in the country. Anika namagupta, anika abantu abalifti. Sneaking is serious in the country. Ngihlangana noPulana bro. I didn't know it was a true story.
Because you're close on.
No, ngithi hello ma hayi angibona ngithi athi uPulana ngithi uqokile kumona ngibona kahle ukuthi athi ngathi ngibona wehlisa inqaza ngathi ende uwe mara
No man.
Usifihlani mina ngikhuluma naye ngibheke enzansi usifihlani